Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Adazari Government College, Chattogram, BB Honors, third year, Department of Management, subject Management Accounting. Dear student, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I am Muhammad Alfazuddin, head of the Department Management, Adazari Government College, Chattogram. You are cordially welcome to my online class. I hope that all of you are well and fine. I am also safe. Today I want to state you some questions. I have already provided you some questions in your previous class. I have decided to deliver the rest some questions today. I request you to pay your close attention to my lecture and to be prepared with handed khata and pen. I am going through the question one by one. Dear student, you follow. Today I am starting from question 4. Nonge. First of all, at another question, I have provided you a theoretical question. A. State the limitations of variable costing. B. B question is a mathematical term. The following particulars are available from the books of Shakib and Khum. Opening inventory 2000 units. Ending inventory 3000 units, production during the year 9000 units, normal plant capacity 10,000 units, cost analysis, selling price per unit taka 40, direct material per unit taka 20, variable factory overhead per unit taka 4, fixed factory overhead per unit taka per year taka 10,000, administrative and selling overhead variable taka 4,000 and fixed taka 12,000. You are given two requirements to prepare to solve. First one, prepare an income statement under direct costing and absorption costing. Second one, reconciliation statement. This problem is given from the chapter absorption costing. I am going through the number 5 question. First of all, state the limitations of cost volume profit analysis. B. Here lying a mathematical terms. You pay your attention. I am going through. Follow. You are given the following information: sales taka 1,40,000, margin of safety 40%, profit volume ratio 20%. Requirement, first one is that break-even sales. Second one, break-even sales if PV ratio is increased to 30%. Number 3, MS ratio if PV ratio is 25%. And number 4, sales volume if profit is increased by taka 5,000. Dear student, now I am going through the 6 number questions. First of all, A. State the application of relevant cost analysis. B. You are supplied with the following information of BIM Company Limited for 2021. Direct material taka 24,000, direct labor taka 48,000, variable expenses taka 12,000, fixed expenses taka 24,000, unit produced 24,000 units. Selling price taka 10, production capacity 40,000 units per year, and the firm has an offer for the purchase of 10,000 units at a price taka 8 each. It is expected that by accepting this offer, there is a saving of taka 2 per unit in material cost on all the unit produced the fixed overhead will increase by taka 7,500 and the overall efficiency will drop by 2.50% on all production. Should the offer be accepted? Dear student, I have gone through 3 questions of the rest of your assignment 2021. In your previous class, I have provided you 3 questions, and you have got 3 questions today. I request you to prepare the questions, and in your next class, I shall try best to provide you 2 or 3 questions, and then I shall try best to complete your assignment. I hope that all of you will remain well and good. Today I am ending my class here. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.